Welcome to Nandini's recipe. Today's recipe is potato nuggets. Usually nuggets are done with chicken, but today I tried it out with potato instead. Now let's get started with the recipe. For making the potato nuggets, I have taken 2 potatoes and boiled it well. Once the potatoes are cooled down, peel the skin off. Cut the potatoes into small pieces so that it is easy for us when we smash it into a dough, as that we do for chapati. Now transfer these well cut potatoes to a large bowl and smash it well with the help of a smasher. After smashing it well with the smasher, use your hands and smash it well and prepare a dough like that for that of chapati. To the prepared dough, add 1 cup of coriander leaves, half tablespoon of chili powder or chili flakes, and half tablespoon of pepper powder, 1 cup of well grated cheese. Combine it well with your hands such that all the ingredients gets mixed well with the dough. Along with it, add 1 tablespoon of salt, After preparing the dough, add 1 tablespoon of corn powder and mix it well with the dough. It gives crispiness to the potato nuggets. Now roll the dough well and cut it into slices and shapes as you wish. Add 1 tablespoon of corn powder and dilute it well with water. It's required breadcrumbs to make it crispy, but since today I did not have breadcrumbs, I crushed the rust that I had and used it as the base instead of breadcrumbs. Dip the small pieces of the dough that we have prepared for making the potato nuggets to the corn water that we have prepared, and then roll it over the breadcrumbs well and place it in a plate. Refrigerate the dough for about 10 minutes. After refrigerating for 10 minutes, take a pan and heat it. To the heated pan, add oil and let the oil get heated. Now add the dough that we have prepared for making the nuggets. Ensure that the nuggets does not stick to the pan, and once one side is cooked well, turn the nuggets to the other side. When the potato nuggets turn golden brown in color, it ensures that the potato nuggets are cooked well. Leave it for another 2 to 3 minutes and take it off immediately from the oil. Potato nuggets are fried well, so take it off immediately, and I am adding another batch of dough for preparing the potato nuggets. Now the potato nuggets look nice and crispy. Take these potato nuggets out, and I'm going to plate these potato nuggets, and let's see after plating it up how it looks. This is how it looks after plating it up. It looks so beautiful. I'm going to take a piece of the potato nugget and taste it. It is so yum actually. Do try this recipe at your home, and if you like it, give a thumbs up and please put your comments in the comment section. Do share it with your friends and family members. I will come with another interesting recipe. Do subscribe to my channel. Your subscription values a lot to me. Thank you.